Eric here, and in this video is where I'm actually going to show you the particular t-shirt that I was selling, where I made $11,610 while at the beach with my family for 17 days, okay? It was just one t-shirt. The purpose of reason that I'm showing this, because I have made more money on some other t-shirts, but this one was really special to me because when we went on this trip down to Panama City Beach, I wanted to basically just have one t-shirt going, and I didn't want to touch anything, okay? I wanted to have my Facebook ads going and running. I wanted to have this t-shirt up and people buying it, but while I was down there, I didn't want to touch a thing. I just wanted it to be family time, and that be it. And while doing that, I made $11,610. I spent just a little over $500 in Facebook ads, okay? So let me show you this t-shirt. The title of it was Limited Run Tee Made for Army Moms. And basically what it said was, Army Mom. Some people dream of meeting their heroes. I raise mine, okay? And what I did is I basically sold this in Facebook pages and directed my ads to Facebook pages and Army moms in general who, when they see a t-shirt like that, it really hits the emotional triggers. It makes them happy. It makes them proud, and they buy it, okay? And basically, that's how this system works. I go out there, I find designs. One good way that you do it, and I'll show you right here real quick, is you can type in Army Mom quotes, and this was kind of how I came up with that idea for the design. And you can go to images. And so you can look right here. There's a strong, and then there's Army strong, and then there's strong. Then there's the strong that have to be an Army mom. See, that could be an idea for a t-shirt, okay? A soldier calls me mom, okay? See how that kind of works? I am the proud mom of a freaking awesome soldier. I never dreamed I'd grow up to be an Army mom. So these right here are all ideas that you could put on a t-shirt, okay? And here's the thing about it is that this one right here is an exception, but this particular design I'm about to show you right here in a moment, I actually designed it, okay? I am by no means a designer. I was actually just trying something. And just by trying, I made $11,610 with the t-shirt that I designed, okay? I actually paid designers as little as $5 to take an idea like I just showed you right here and actually design it for me, okay? It's as simple as taking this saying right here, send it to a designer, and say, make the design awesome, make it unique. They give you design back, and you come over here to a website like this, and you put it on a t-shirt. I'm about to show you just how simple that is, okay? All right, so what you're going to do is you would go up, this is teespring.com, and you're going to go to Start Designing. And I'm going to show you real quick how I made that t-shirt. Very, very simple. Let's go to women's t-shirts because we're talking to Army moms. Let's go to women's comfort tee. We're not buying, we're actually selling this t-shirt. You're going to get a little bit of training right here and now. So we need to select the color. That particular color I used green. It was darker than that, so this might not be the... We can show the example. So we're going to hit done. But it was a darker green, the shirt that I actually used. Let's see. So what I did is I basically added text. And so when you go in here, Teespring gives you all kind of options to where you can change the color of it. And I remember I used yellow. The font that I used was that. And basically, I came in here and I just was playing around with something, okay? I was just trying it out. I had no idea I was going to make that kind of money, okay? Army mom, okay? Just going to show you how simple this is. Just make it, you stay within the red space right here. Army mom, okay? And then we're going to add some more text. Go up here, we made this white. And we need to change the font. I think I used this right here. Some people dream. Let's make it a little bit smaller so we can see. Some people dream of... I think it's about what I did. Let's see, let's make this a little bit bigger here. We want to fill the space, make this nice. Some people dream. Let's try to line all this up. Some people dream. Let's change the font again. Let's see. Make it a little bit smaller so we can have room to play with it. Like this right here is very customizable. Meeting there. Well, hero. Some people dream of meeting their hero, okay? And then I added just more text and just show you how quick that the design that I actually designed made me that much money, okay? Let's go back and use this. I raised mine. And that was it. That was it. That's all I did. I think I might have had a little star right here. But you can grab those images from online and just pull whatever image that you want to in here, okay? And this is what I did. Let's go back and type that back in. Let me see. Limited time run. I want to find that t-shirt again. Let's go to the shirts that had ended. Limited, what do I do? Limited run. I want to find that particular t-shirt. Here it is. Let's see. I want you to be able to see. I want to be able to prove that I made that $11,000. Let's show that there. All right, so here it is. So I ran this all. Sorry for that noise, but I ran this all within that 17 days. The first campaign was $7,959. The next one was $574. The next one was right at $300. The next one was $255. The next one was right at $2,300. The next one was $229. And I didn't even add the rest of these up, but that ends up being $11,610.38 to be exact. Okay, and this was all during that 17 days. Okay, let's look at it a little bit more specifically. Oh no, what happened to it? Well, I don't know where it went. It was a long time ago, so whatever reason it's not pulling up right now. But basically, that's what the shirt looked like, okay? Just like that. I designed it. You've seen it took me less than probably 5 minutes to design this t-shirt. So let me ask you something. Is this something that you can do? You seen how quick it was for me to do it? Do you think that you could come over here and type in Army Mom quotes? And what I did when that t-shirt done so well, I basically changed it to Air Force Mom, Marine Mom, Navy Mom. And I made several more thousands of dollars just by changing the quote up, okay? So really, it's very easy to get design concepts. I can show you, let's see, baseball mom quotes, and then you can change it to Army dads. So it interchanges with all kind of different audiences and niches. Baseball mom, see that shirt right there? You can change that to have to be the state of Georgia, the state of Florida, wherever you're at, okay? There's so many ideas that you can get for t-shirt. My heart is on that field, okay? There's so many things that you can do with this. You can take this simple quote right here and put it inside the state of Georgia or whatever state that you're in and make it a little bit more unique for you. Some people wait a lifetime to meet their favorite player. I am raising mine. That would be a super awesome shirt. Okay, I'm telling you, baseball moms, softball moms, football moms, they would eat this up. Soccer moms. So you see, just in a few minutes, I gave you literally thousands of ideas that you can actually change this up to fit other audiences, other different kind of people, mom, females, male, grandmas. There's so many things that you can do. There is potential all over the place to make any kind of t-shirt. Warning, baseball mom. We'll yell loudly, okay? That's another t-shirt. Absolutely another t-shirt. Weekend forecast, baseball, with no chance of house cleaning or cooking. Okay? You can change that to football. You can change that to soccer. You can make t-shirts for people who like fishing and people like hunting. Just go right here and Google and type in baseball mom quotes, guys. This is so simple. You cannot mess it up. Here's another one. I am a mitt finding, uniform washing, Gatorade getting, carpool driving, picture taking, always cheering baseball mom. My wife actually came up with one of these for Army Mom, and we absolutely knocked it out of the park. She did one for Disney without using any of the Disney copyrights, and we made over $10,000 on that t-shirt. Okay, guys, this is one of the easiest ways that I know how to make money with Facebook. Okay, anybody can do this. I don't care what kind of background that you have. I don't care what kind of job position that you have. I don't care. You know, when I first started this, I was an electrician. I didn't know anything about network marketing. I didn't know really how to do anything on a computer. I didn't know how to design anything. But what I want to share with you is a course that I put together called Six Figure RV Lifestyle. Okay, and this course is actually going to tell you. Let me see if I can show it to you right now. Here it is. Six Figure RV Lifestyle. Secrets to a six-figure income while living full-time in your RV. Okay, this course is going to take you from A to Z, step by step. I have invested over $10,000 in courses and training to be able to bring you this course. This comes not only with invested training and knowledge, but also the experience. Okay, as I said, the end of 2013, so that's nearly 5 years experience. Okay, or nearly 6 years experience that's going into this. Okay. Basically, this first module is just basically going to walk you through the whole system kind of from a bird's eye view, and then the rest of these modules we're just going to break it down. We're going to talk about a niche. We're going to talk about different research places, websites that you can use to actually find the best ideas that are selling. I show you how to use Pinterest and Google and Etsy. You know, there's these different websites. I show you how to use Amazon to find good ideas. I show you how to get your idea designed. Okay. I also reveal some of my personal designers that I use to this day that actually design awesome t-shirts for me. I show you websites that you can actually get designs done for as little as $5. Okay, so this is very little money here. You don't need a whole lot of money to get started with this. As I said, my first t-shirt, okay, my first shirt, I made $975 in that first week. I didn't spend any money. I basically went into Facebook groups and just posted my t-shirt. And so you don't need really any money, okay? So all this information is put here for you so that you can follow step by step. It's not out of order. I show you some of the websites that you can use that they handle the printing, they handle the shipping, they handle the customer support. The main thing is actually being able to use Facebook. I show you how to make a fan page on Facebook the proper way. I show you how to do ad creation. I show you how to do Facebook ads. This right here alone, all these, if I was to take each one of these out, this right here would be worth $297 itself. Everything that you learn in here, okay? This right here was some of my personal designers and showing you where the websites are to get designs done, easily worth $197, okay? Creating your ad image. What I'm going to give you as a free bonus, okay? Free bonus, okay? This right here, people pay $297 to actually get this piece of software. I'm going to include it with a free bonus, okay? Right here, I'm gonna give this to you, okay? It's going to be a free bonus worth $297, but you're going to get it for free. It's going to show you how to make great pictures for your ads. This right here, this module right here is worth at least $1,000, okay? Once you learn this right here, Facebook advertisement, you'll be able to sell just about anything that is a product, that is a digital service, or anything, any kind of shirt, any kind of ring, you'll be able to sell it with knowing this stuff right here, okay? Also, another bonus, okay? And then this right here is worth, I paid probably over $300 for these designs that I'm going to share with you, but you're going to get my top 10 designs that you're going to be able to look at. You can change them up, you can use them, I'll give you the rights to use them if you want to. I would highly recommend that you somehow convert it to another niche, but it's just to give you some ideas, okay? This right here alone, I have made over $20,000 with these designs, and each one of them, and so I'm gonna give that to you as a bonus, okay? The whole value of this course would be easily worth $2,500, and I actually had sold this prior. This course was called, and you will see in some of these videos, you're going to see that the actual intro was called T-Domination. That was a course that I actually taught electricians how to be able to work from home and make an additional income stream. But since then, since we're full-time RVers, I wanted to make this course especially for those who are trying to make a full-time income while living in their RV. Okay. But this is easily worth $2,500. I sold this course. Let me see if I can find it. Well, you'll be able to see it just below the video here that I was selling this course for $497. So from now, for a limited time, probably just a few weeks or when the timer hits 0, you're going to be able to pick up this course for just $197. Okay. As I said, when I bought my first course for $497, okay, had I known what I know now and the money that I have made up to this moment, that course would have been worth, the course would have been worth $50,000 to me. But I could justly pay, I could justify paying $10,000 for that course because of the profit that it actually made me. Okay, you're getting this course for $197. The price will increase very soon back to $497. We have over thousands of students, whether it was T-Domination or six-figure RV income, thousands of students that it has enrolled in the course. One of my best students, I love telling this testimony. His name was Adam. Was an electrician friend. He did over $2,700 in his first week selling one T-shirt. He spent just over $300 in Facebook ads. We got RV moms that are just needed a full-time income that are doing in their second month doing right at $10,000 in their second month. We got people that are able to quit their full-time career that they had that kept them bound to a certain location. Now they're able to travel the whole country in their RV because of this system right here. Okay, I love hearing testimonies back from people who they really wanted to travel. They got an RV but just couldn't travel like they wanted to, or even some that live stationary that they're all about being able to have experiences with their families. They're all about just living off the grid and just living that minimalist lifestyle. And that's what we're all about here. Okay, we choose to live in an RV. We're a family of 5 and a dog. We got a little Yorkie, but we choose to live in an RV. We choose to, for the experiences, for to be able to spend more time with my family, to be able to travel the country, to be able to just enjoy life, not having junk, not having clutter. This motto was really personal to us, that less is more. Okay, and I know some of y'all full-time RVers and stationary RVers, that's exactly what you want. Okay, so click the link just below this video. We're going to get you hooked up at a super discounted deal. As I said, you can get all these bonuses here. You're going to get that ad software where most people have to pay $297 for that. You're going to get my top 10 designs and a couple other ebooks I'm going to throw in there as well. So thanks for taking the time to watch. Make sure that you go ahead and click the link. This course will go up to $497. I'm not sure exactly when, but it will go up. Because I was selling it for that, but I'm just trying to get it out to as many people as possible because I'm looking for testimonies. I'm looking for good feedback. I'm looking for people who just are able to achieve the things they want to achieve, okay? So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the inside.